I'm going to create my page, my new page. So I'm going here. Okay, click on this arrow here on the right side, and I click on create page. And here we can choose between different options, which are local business or place, company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, brand or public figure, entertainment, cause or community. So as I'm promoting my courses, I'm gonna brand myself and my courses. So here we are. Choose a category, and I'm gonna select here product or service. And here is online business courses, get started. Okay, here first of all, add a profile picture. I'm gonna upload a profile picture. I'm gonna select this one that I call page logo. Okay, here I'm gonna add this one. Then I'm gonna upload a cover, so the cover of a page. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, so if you remember, I created this photo here. Okay, I make it smaller. I use paint, Microsoft Paint, and make it smaller like that. And getting back to this one, I'm gonna use this. Okay, here we are. You can also drag here to reposition if you want. I'm fine like that because I just cut it exactly as I wanted. Okay, here we are. As you can see here, the checklist, add a cover photo is done. Add a short description. Okay, here we can say create and launch an online business. In this page you will find information about online courses to make that happen. Okay, so have a short description, then I create a username for your page. Username can be courses, then online business courses. Okay, I'm gonna create this. Okay, here we are. This is my username. I'm gonna create this. So now what I'm gonna do is I can post here as you do in Facebook, status, photo, video, live video, or event and product. So you can post here, and you can boost your post, and we saw already. We see how to post here, to open a post and boost this. Okay, you can also add photos, or even you can add information like offers, groups of this page, community. Okay, click on community. So here in the community you can create groups. Here create a group and invite your friends, or even you can have videos. Okay, you can add a video with the library video insights. Events, you can create an event. And about, you can also create a story here, tell people about your business. Okay, you add an image and then you type something here. Then you can edit some information, as I said, edit start date, business type, edit mission if you want some text about a mission. Then the phone number, this is your username so people can send a message, an email or website, and other information. Okay, here you can also edit all this information about your page. Okay, founding date and so on. Okay, so you can do everything, and you can send a message. Test button, get messages, edit button. Okay, here test button. Okay, you can use one of these buttons. Can I make a purchase? Where is your store located, and so on. And here you can see you have the inbox. If you receive any email, or you can also see some notifications. Okay, if you receive any notification, you will find it there, like likes, comments, shares, other, and so on. Then here we have the insights, where you can see here actions on page, page views, page previews, recommendations, reach, page likes, post engagements, videos. Okay, we don't have data shown here. Okay, page videos, how many videos, many views, page followers. And then the publishing tools. So these tools that you can use if you want to promote, like schedule post, okay, existing post videos, okay, post review, then if you want to create ads and so on, you use this. You see here, you can create here, click on create, and you can create a new page post. Gonna boost the post or publish, schedule, backdate, or save draft. Okay, so this is an overview of how you can create a page and how you can manage all the information on this page and start to promote it.